Feijoa Fizz. First, the feijoas. You want to get several cups of skin. So cut the feijoas, take out the flesh. I'm actually using this for the feijoa and ginger jam, and put the skins in a jar. You can also pop the skins in a bag in the freezer until you've got enough. You want to wash the feijoas just to get any loose dirt off, but you don't want to take off the yeast that lives naturally on the skin, so don't use any soap or detergent. Quarter of a cup of sugar. I'd like to give it all a bit of a muddle. Add your water. They do recommend purified water, but in Australia we can get away with tap water. Ensure all the skins are covered with water. Cover to secure, but allow the air to still get to it. You need to keep the skins under water at all times. Drain, taking the skins out and reserving the liquid. You can also line the sieve with muslin if you want to reduce the sediment. Pour it into a jug for easy pouring into the bottle. And there's the taster. I'm adding 4 grams of curing salt, but you could also add winemaker's yeast. This is not essential. The curing salt helps to prevent any mould. Pour into bottles. I'm keeping a small one as a tester and pouring the rest of it into a larger bottle. Store in a cool, dark place for a couple of days, or as I have here, 12 months. I have no idea of the alcohol content. You can see it's quite dark now, and there is a bit of sediment. Did you hear that fizz? First taste stroke. Look at those bubbles. Now I'm going to add some soda water. You can definitely taste the feijoas. I tend to prefer it straight than with the soda water. But again, I don't know what the alcohol content is. So no driving for me. Cheers. And I can't help myself, I've got another one on the go now for next year. The original recipe's on AussieHomecook.com.